Okay guys, look at what I've just found. Found a clothes repair place. Do all the sewing. Not sure if you can quite see that, but put the sewing machines in there. I imagine they do anything you need, from altering a dress to maybe just repairing a hole in your favourite pair of trousers. Got all the wool there as well. Is it wool or string? Is it thread? Yeah, thread. Sorry guys, I couldn't think of the word there. Looks like quite a busy shop as well. Wait. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's even a laundrette as well by the looks of it as well. So if you can't be asked, doing the laundry yourself, this is the place to go, guys. I mean, tons of laundrettes in Benidorm, but when does clothes repairs and alters clothes for you? No, that's something you don't see every day. Anyway guys, hit the like, smash subscribe and bounce on over to the next video.